Yeah, this is the one that people practice here now.
Practice here right from our childhood.
Right from the olden days till now. Your forefathers,
ancestors.
Your ancestors, they were using this. Now you are still using it till now.
Now. With your 15 naira, you buy your bank and keep for your house.
With your 15 naira, you buy your bank and keep in your house.
Yes. But you hide it though. Inside your house, if you know you are sharing, or you are squatting with your friends or with your brothers and sisters, so you have to know where you hide it, so that anyone see this one inside your house, no say money there inside.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Well, alhamdulillah.
I'm the Art and Craft, and you?
Say?
I'm the Art and Craft, and you?
I'm Shagari Abubakar.
I was told that this is the bank that people practice here. What do you have to tell me about this particular bank of EB?
This one, in our own language, we call it Asusu.
Asusu?
Yeah, Asusu. Asusu. Yes. It's the small bank that we used to practice this one right for our childhood. If you want to start saving money, maybe you are going to, maybe you are doing business, you are working under somebody, or you are doing mechanic or something like that. You are getting small money. If when your guy said to you in the evening, if you come back, if you go to your mama house, then you buy this one. Then you should be saving your money inside. At the end of the day, then you break it, and if you have something to do with the money, or you have some plan, say I won't buy so thing, then you come buy market, buy this Asusu. Then from there you be saving. At the end of the day, say now I think maybe I don't reach my target, then go and break it, then count. Yeah, it's a local bank. Yeah.
Wow, yeah. It's interesting. I've not seen this type before. The one I see normally the one they use wood to construct.
Yeah. Some used to go to carpenter, like an other people. Person way no get bag account, go to carpenter, do one for him. Like you go there like tea box.
Well, here, this is the one that people practice here now.
Practice here right from our childhood.
Right from the olden days till now. Your forefathers.
Ancestors.
Your ancestors, they were using this. Now people are still using it till now.
With your 15 naira, you buy your bank and keep for your house.
With your 15 naira, you buy your bank and keep in your house.
Yes. But you hide it though. Inside your house, if you know you are sharing, or you are squatting with your friends or with your brothers and sisters, so you have to know where you hide it, so that anyone see this one inside your house, no say money there inside. So they may break it in your house. So
you have to hide your bank.
Very well. You should know how where you should keep it, or either you dig for one corner like this, dig ground, hide it, or you find for one of your, maybe your Ghana must go, your bag, inside.
Or if you dig ground, put this inside. Okay, only you will not be going there.
Some they should not go in the daytime safe. Maybe
for security purpose.
Maybe some they go find some place at the bush. Listen. You should go there, hide it, or dig ground, hide it. Maybe after you eat your night's meal, your dinner, say my friend, I won't go and eat myself. You should not allow that your friend know, say that
this place now you're
go
going.
that place. Then motivate you one safe inside. Then. But you should mark the
place so that you remember.
So that you know miss the.
But if you don't remember,
it go hard though. It go hard for you to.
It go hard though.
It go hard for you to lose.
So your forefathers, they were practicing this thing. And you could continue till now.
Continue. We call it Asusu. Some this one now. They use this river bank, sand. Yes, they used to do it. Some they use carton. This carton, there is carton one here. So you see it. That one we get handle like this. So that's it.
They have bigger one, like bigger than
Maybe
this one
bigger
too.
than it's depend on the
Size, the demand.
size.
Okay, but if you want to have it, you can come to them and tell them to do bigger one for you, right?
It's bigger than yes.
It's interesting. So can someone save up to like 1 million, 2 million in this thing?
If not that carpenter or the iron one, there is iron one. The box will be iron. No way for somebody to break that one. There is iron one. There is this wooded. So and there is this.
Are you not saying that all the people that are here, everybody has this thing?
Most of our people, because say in our northern parts of this country, not everybody have bank account. Most especially those one that didn't go school, they didn't understand how the so they normally used to
have this thing.
prefer to have this one
Yeah,
because at any time if you have you have problem with your money, you can break it and use your money. And in bank, you may from now, maybe from Ibi to carry 1,000, I'll pay 1,000 naira. Go transport 2,000 with your bike 500.
Time again, there.
Waste time again. So to have this one, yes.
I think I need this. This is what their ancestors were using to save money then, the olden days, and they're still practicing it till now, like this. There's nothing like bank here. This is their bank, and with 15 naira, you can buy full bank, like First Bank or Eco Bank, Access Bank, with your 15 naira. With your 15 naira, you can buy full bank like this and keep it in your own house like this. Wow, thank you very much. I've learned something today. Thank you.
Thank you. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir. I see this thing. I can't ask. Say, what be this thing?
Something where no say before our parents get box where then they put money inside.
They save money.
Yeah. So now local bank, what they call local bank. Okay, so as things happen, things cost now, so then use carton. Do this one. If you not get money to buy the expensive one, then you go manage this one, put money inside.
They save money. This is a money bank. These are they save money. Carton they take the designer like this.
No, na carton they take designer like this.
How much do they sell like this?
No, say 100 naira.
Like we can sell millions.
Like small children now, if then they hustle, their mama feed buy. Anytime when picking come in, bring money, then they go further and put inside. Like if they want buy school uniform or bag or something, the time reach, then they open up, they carry money counter and go buy waiting he no get. So now waiting our parents they buy key for us.
But you know people money, some person can't come out.
No person no go fit come out unless it's tiara. If money don't enter, he enter. Until they tear this box.
You get that for us?
I get now.
Get that for us?
I get. Say person where they tell you say with the hustle, you supposed to get this thing, but they put small something for your children. Like if school is soon now, then you open and you buy them, change them school uniform, you buy sandals for them. But if money there, you know if you serve. But if you put here, you go come out your mind. Even though you don't get money, you go come out your mind because you get what you put this one for. Now what make them they do this kind of thing. Yes.
Interesting. You can't look like flash. Okay, that one days, that one where they put for ground, they see they practice that.
Okay, not be that one where they use sand do one.
Sand, what do they do for ground?
That one where go there like this, but it's not sand. Where then they do one. If you go down there, you get one old woman there. They said that one, but that one too cost now. Now wait to make some they buy this local one, but that one mad day.
They use sand to do that one.
They use sand where they river. Then they go more land, then they do them. You then do them go paint and you go find like this. And that one they
you feed the ground, put that one inside.
And that one you feed the ground. If you put her inside house. But you go hide her now. If you say person is enter your room, see this thing. But you say say waiting you keep on for. So person will not get fear of God, fear career. Person no get fear of God, fear career. Go come on waiting there inside. So now waiting make if you get this kind of thing, you go hide.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. You are welcome.
Thank you. This one, is it the very one that you were explaining to me that time?
This one they different. This one they use sand do am. That one I tell you say na carton they use do am. So na the same thing that they use na local bank.
Local bank.
They use and save money. So we call am local bank. But that one they different. This one that na sand where they riverside now they use mold this one. This one she never finish am, but later on she go roast and it go be like this. Yeah, it go be like this one as this one body day. Now so she no roast and now waiting make she carry and like this come market. But if she carry and go back, she go roast and the body go be like this. That's what then they do.
Okay, this
so
one,
this one like this if you want cook medicine.
Native medicine.
Yeah, native medicine you go use and cook medicine. So all of them like this now for medicine. But you get the biggest one where all the dead people they use and put water. You understand? This one now water on now. Those one now medicine on. This one if you want you get some medicine then they give you some you put firewood inside my wood inside. May you blow on. Now you use this one do. But this one a local bank. She never roast her. She did in haste. She no roast her.
Now our forefathers they use old save money.
Save money that time. Yes. But now we with the manager more. If I not put her inside, I feel buy anything. And if you dey save am, so even though na business where you dey do, if in the at least you put for your mind say you go dey save for 1,000. If you from your business come, you go afford 1,000 every day they put.
Any amount where you get.
Amount where you get as in game, you go afford and put inside. So if you get what you want use and do. If time do, then you go break and pack the money within his account and go do what you want to do. So na local bank, we still dey use them. We know no bank.
I don't know bank.
We know bank, but this one save money more than bank for us.
Okay, this one save money for a past bank. So you prefer this one than going to bank?
This one than going to bank.
Are you serious?
Even though now, if you see like this, you go afford money. Even though now 1,000, you go afford down like this.
Hey.
Like this. If you put down like this, you see, if you press and you enter. That's what we will do. Yeah.
So are you not saying that people prefer this one than going to bank?
Like old people and women where they do business, where they have eye not open to go bank. But me, I get account too. I just they tell you save some for here. They
this one.
You see, if be here, we not get bank. Now only POS. So for them to enter or carry go bank, she prefer me she save her money here. Like old woman or woman where they do business. Like this outside women where they do cooking business and something. Then anything where she gets, then she go for and put inside to save as in game.
So instead of paying bike or machine to go and look for bank, person will not prefer to save it inside here now.
So they do.
This is interesting. Do they have the bigger size? Way big pass this one?
Yes, but she not do today.
They get the size of the big pass this one.
The size of the big pass this one. If you need that much, she go do for you.
This one how much now?
And puna urani.
50 naira. Hey, 50 naira to buy full bank. So with 50 naira you can buy full bank and save money. Wow, it's not even expensive.
15 naira.
15 naira. So the big one should be like 100 or
150 like this.
You were saying that people outside here are using it, right?
We are using it. Many people are using it because I told you that we don't have bank here. Yes, now only POS and all these woman like this one way old. She no fit say make she go bank. So if she get this one, she go afford her money put inside, save her money there.
Look at 50, like with 50 now you buy full bank like this to save money. Hey, this is what they use in saving money in the olden days, and still now they're still practicing it here for life. Like, this one is Bank of EB. This is interesting.
We are manager and we love it.
You love it? Yes. They said they love it. Wow. So like, can someone save like up to 1 million inside this bank?
Big one, right? But this one like 100K. Okay, because you see, as I told you, you'll be folding it. When you full, you'll be shaking it. So yes. 150 like 100 we enter, but the big one, that one where you talk, we take.
Thank you very much. Thank you. All right.